Here's a question for you. How much time do you waste every day? Be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself. Now, here's something to think about. Imagine that you waste 20 minutes per day. Now, this may not seem like a big time, but if you take 20 minutes over a period of 1 year, it is a lot of time. It works out to 2 weeks, 14 days, 24/7. And that is a lot of time. If you watch TV for about 3 to 4 hours every day, over a lifetime, you are wasting 13 years of your life. So just think you could utilize the same thing for exercising or reading or watching educational videos or shooting videos or installing a new habit, building your vocabulary. You could do so many things that will help you to become better and help you to grow in life and help you to realize your goals and purpose in life. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, bye.